Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's important for the growth of the YouTuber on the YouTube platform, so that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, when you arrive, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones grow on this huge platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, the day is finally here. We did all the spoilers. We filmed every day to know what was in each category, plus boosters, plus refills. Then even on the day of, we went through to make sure that all the customization choices were there for us to choose from. And then we wait, and we wait for the box to arrive. And it arrived. This is the FabFitFun for spring 2022. This is so exciting. This is that quarterly box that is just one of those boxes that really, to me, started me looking at subscription boxes simply because it had everything. It had makeup, it had skincare, it had lifestyle. It even at that time had a lot of fit. That's where it came with FabFitFun. But this box is always filled with so much excitement for me because of the spoilers and being able to share that with you guys, and then you guys communicate back in the comments. It just makes it feel like such a community box. That is what I love so much about FabFitFun. On top of it, it does have its own community. So if you're interested in fitness or you have a question in reference to a recipe, it really truly is a community, and it's one that I really enjoy. This is that seasonal box, so you get it 4 times a year. It was always around $50. I think it went up to $55 now, but this box is so, to me, worth it. One item in here more than pays for the box, but what really pays for the box for me is the community that it brings together in the beauty community. And that's something that I really enjoy because I love sharing with you guys, and I love when you guys share in the comments back. This box this time, for a lot of people that have been with FabFitFun for a long period of time, saw some things that had repeats in it. For somebody that, you know, has only been doing FabFitFun for a period of time, not like, you know, 10 years or 5 years, only for the couple of years that I've been here in the United States, when I wanted something, sometimes your budget doesn't allow you to get more than one item, per line, because they have so many fantastic deals throughout the year. But I always feel the best deal is what they call those add-ons, so that when you can't make a decision within the line of products that you have to choose from, they allow you to add on as much as you want, anywhere from $15 all the way down to $7 based on the category. So for me, there were a couple things that there were other products that were screaming at me that I wanted, but there were other ones that I said, if it ever shows up in add-ons or things like that, I think I'll grab it. This time around, they had so many items that were ones that I really wanted and I didn't choose for myself, that I chose for myself this time. And some of them ended up even being better deals. Like the first one I'm going to show you, there was a duffel bag that had this cutest paisley print on it. Not paisley, daisy print. And it had a matching hat. And I would have to have chosen the hat in one and then the duffel bag in the other. And now this time around, it was put together as one. And so it was a no-brainer for me that was the first easiest customization pick that I made. There was another one that I've been having my eyes on for a while that I could not wait to get. And again, it showed up. So, and then there was ones that I'm familiar with that I will share with you that I could not wait to replenish on that as well. So that is what, I love to share with you about FabFitFun. FabFitFun also comes with a fantastic magazine. There used to be some information in here about referencing what was in the box, but as you know, on my channel, we shared all of this already to a point that I read to you every description, every measurement, what the costs were. So we've already gone through all that. So now this is just the enjoyment of pulling out from the box what I actually chose. And I already showed a lot of you that if you follow me, but if you haven't or you don't remember, this is the time when it's so much fun to watch a lot of the FabFitFun unboxings because everybody chooses something different, and I'm always curious to know what other people have chose as well. So please share with me in your comments down below if you don't have a channel, or even if you do have a channel. I don't always have the time to be able to watch as much as I would love to. So please share with me if we chose some of the same items, or if you feel you're using something that next time around I should keep my eyes open for as well. All right, let's get started. Okay, the first one is that duo that I was talking about. And this is from this brand called Alice and Olivia. This is what the tag looks like here. And this is a bucket hat. And what's great about this is you can wear it either way. You just have to clip off the name that is on here on this side, or you can keep it as a fashion statement. But this side is white and the other side is this gorgeous print that matches exactly to the duffel bag. So this is such a beautiful, luxurious, I really wanted both, and the fact that this was now a combination that came together, this was so, like I said, a no-brainer. It's also nice with this that you can wear it flipped up a little bit in the front, so you get a little bit of the contrast, and you can do that either way. You could do it on the white side and have the contrast being this side. I just think this is the cutest thing ever, and with spring, summer coming around, I think this will be used a lot. The next item, which was part of this bundle, was this gorgeous, huge bag. This is a duffel bag. This is that weekender bag. It has two fantastic pockets on either side, one on this side as well as one on the other. When you open up the zipper, it has a zipper compartment inside, which I always love, because if you want to keep your wallet or your important information, I always like that there's a zipper on the inside. That is what is here. The other thing that I didn't see before I got the bag was the cutest toggle that closes this all up. It's a girl in a bun with sunglasses on. And to me, that says weekend getaway like I've never seen. Is that not the cutest thing ever? So you can wear this, you know, as with these two handles here, or you can have a strap on the inside here that I found that you clip onto the outside with these fantastic easy clips, and then you can carry it over your shoulder as well. So it's always nice to have the options of a shoulder strap versus the handles here. It is a thick canvas. This is always well made. One thing with FabFitFun, I always find that the quality of the products that they put in their bags, to me, are the type of quality that I like to own. So that is something that I really enjoy about that as well. The magazine, like I said, comes in every box, but now what they're sharing in the magazines is a lot more information about how to plan a weekend getaway, serving your looks, fridge to face beauty. Like, this is truly a magazine that when I'm drawing my bath, I am going to be pulling this in with me and just soaking up all the information. They also have recipes, which I've shared with you before, as well as fantastic drink mixes as well. And then they also share some exclusive offers and then some other information. Like I said, this is truly a magazine that you sit down and you want to read it from the beginning to the end. So that is the other item is in here. They also had some stickers. They also had some coupons for HelloFresh and things like that, which is always great. So the next item that I chose for myself that I could not wait to get my hands on were these slippers. These are slippers that if you watch any show on TV or you read any fashion magazine, this is the hottest style right now with this CrissCross. I didn't know they were going to be in this cute ballerina pink. This makes it even better, but they feel so soft and cuddly. The faux fabric is just like the type that you want to just soak into. So really excited that this time around I was able to choose these for myself. And this is from this brand called Splendid, and it's like that. So really excited to get these as well. The next item was one that I knew I wanted because I have a small little area, I have a large bathroom area where I use both sides, and I needed something that was a little bit more compact, and when I saw the measurements for this product, I thought it would fit in perfectly, and that is exactly what it is. It's from this brand called Sorpus. It's a cosmetic organizer case. That is what the outside box looks like, and believe it or not, it has those daisies in there as well. This to me is also, I think, a repeat item because I remember having my idea of what I wanted to do with this, and then I ended up choosing something else. So once again, this ended up being an absolute winner for me. So this is the size of it here. It's larger than I thought, but it's not the way I saw some other people pick it up, I thought it was going to be even smaller than this. So this is really that perfect size. These compartments here are large. I'll be able to put everything that I want in here in that certain area where I want to keep my nighttime routine with those lip balms and things like that. I just think this will be absolutely perfect. And I wanted it to be small enough that it didn't overtake the entire counter space where I want to put this. And this will fit in just perfect. And look how cute the bottom is. So, and it's really, really a really nice acrylic. It's a heavy acrylic. It's a really well, and like I said, everything with FabFitFun, I really feel we're getting the best choices with the best quality at these really, really attainable prices. The next item that I chose for myself for a pair of sunglasses. This is from that brand called Privé Revaux, and this is just stunning. I don't know if it's going to pick it up. There it is. I hope the camera's picking up the name. If not, this is what was inside, so I wanted to make sure to share the name with you because these glasses are stunning. It came with one of those little pouches, which I always think are important when you're sending sunglasses or sharing sunglasses. Always try to get yourself a microfiber pouch because this not only do you use to protect your glasses, but you can also use this microfiber to clean your glasses as well. So this is really, that was what it came in. Everything was covered in all these other plastics. If you're not familiar on my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to, and I take a picture for my Instagram, which is True Once with the number 2. So if you're not following me there, you are missing out. So I want to make sure that you follow me there too. And what I do is I take all the packaging also, that when I'm sitting here, we're actually just looking at the quality and the learning about the products. This is the gorgeous pair of sunglasses that are in here. The amount of details on this product blew my mind. So we have on the side here the actual name of the brand. Inside here we have the name of the brand on the other side as well. Usually the name for me, I've only seen it on one side. I could be wrong, but that's my memory of my other glasses that I own. This one here has that gorgeous cat eye, but what it has is this extra little accent that is in a rose gold, which is really, really unique. It's like a more gold than rose gold, but to me, depending on the lighting, that's what you will see there. There's also no nose extra clips on it. So this is really gonna fit beautifully and perfectly. It is just stunning. I am so excited to have these, and living in Florida, having sunglasses, you can never have too many. And every one that's a different design that's more unique, like this one, is always something that someone will stop you and ask you, where'd you get those? So that's what these glasses are. So that was the other item. The next one was one that I thought was the greatest idea when I saw somebody open it up and I saw there was this hidden compartment that I didn't know was there based on the pictures. What was inside? This is the outside cardboard that was covering the actual item, and it is called the Traveling Jewel Case. It is from this brand called Millie, and this is the traveling case that is in here. This is fantastic. Wait till you see when I open this up. First of all, the outside is a zebra print, and you know me, I love animal prints, and the fact that it's these colors that are so rich looking, it's, you know, that Tiffany blue type of blue. It's just really, really beautiful. So when you open it up with the zipper, it opens up. There's a mirror inside here, which is always, I have never had a jewelry travel case that had an actual mirror, which is so convenient because if you're in the car and you have this in your purse and at the last minute you want to put your earrings on or anything, having a mirror inside here is such a great idea. And I didn't realize it until I saw this one, and I realized I never had one that had a mirror inside. So it's all those little extra details that I really am enjoying. So this is great because it has the compartments where you can put all your necklaces and your dainty necklaces so that they don't tangle together. This is great for keeping your rings. And behind this mirror, there is a little tab here. And that little tab, when you pull it, has this little extra pouch here, which is also great when you have longer jewelry that you want to tuck it away inside here so it doesn't get caught on anything. So this little guy has so many extra compartments plus that mirror that makes it so convenient. And it is small enough that you could drop this in your purse, and especially when you're going through customs or the, you know, I never wear my jewelry until I get past all that information that you have to go through all of those beepings and where they're taking the wand and going through all that. I try my best so that when I go through, I'm not wearing anything that's going to cause me to get a second wanding so that I don't beep. And having all the jewelry and something like this in your purse, as soon as you're sitting down at your gate, you can then put this on and then put all your jewelry on. I just think this is convenient. It is even more beautiful in person than I thought. It also has a bit of a cushiness to it. I am really impressed with this. So happy with all my choices in this box. And then the final item was one that was going to be a repeat for me. And this is because it's a brand that I absolutely love and I wanted to get this one. This is from this brand called Josie Maran. And as I've shared with you on the channel, a lot of brands that I did not know about, I got introduced to from places like the shopping channels. And this was one of those brands where I got introduced to her, and she was like this really beautiful model that found out about argan oil through another model who was a lot older, and she wanted to ask her what her secrets were. And then she ended up developing her own product line based on that argan oil. And that, if you're not familiar with argan oil, it's a phenomenal ingredient that nature makes. It's only usually in like Morocco, that type of area. And then what she did was she made different versions of products using that 100% argan oil. And this is one of them. So this is her body whipped argan oil. This is her body butter. Her body butters are whipped. So it's not those heavy, thick body butters that you put on, you have to melt in your hands and then you get to put them on. I enjoy those as well. But when you're in a hurry and you want something that's gonna go on quickly, this is what this product is. I pulled, and as I said, I always used to buy her brand off the shopping channels. Now with FabFitFun and other places that have it available at these great prices, I grab this everywhere. So this one here is the size that we're getting in the box that we're just unpacked right now. This is what they do on the shopping channels. They do these things that are called super size. So once you fall in love with the product, you're able to get it in these humongous sizes. And that is fantastic for me because, as you know, I share with you all the time how much I love my bath time. And I go through these like butter. And this is how soft and beautiful these creams are. So they are very much like a whipped cream. So they go on beautifully, and you end up feeling really hydrated afterwards, but not sticky. And it goes into your skin beautifully, and you don't have to wait like to get dressed, or you don't have to wait to crawl into bed that, you know, you're gonna stick to your bed because the creams didn't penetrate in fast enough. With the whipped, you're gonna get it to where it will penetrate right away. Plus you're getting the benefits of all the argan oil that she puts in these products. Like I said, I'm impressed with this brand. I could not wait to get this in my box. And every choice was one that I was like waiting for this box to arrive. So I got something for the body, which I think is great. I got my travel case. I got a gorgeous pair of sunglasses that came with the case. I got the little side by tray here that I'll be able to put all my what I wanted to put it for was my lip balms, all my stuff that I wanted like to have for my nighttime routine, which I think is amazing. I got these slippers that I've had my eye on forever, and then that huge duffel bag with the matching hat. So for me, this was an absolute win. Please share with me in the comments down below your thoughts on what I chose, and if you've had the opportunity to get these products in the past and how you've been enjoying them, as well as if you feel I should have picked something else that was available that you picked and you're enjoying, so that I'll be able to put that on my wants list for the next box that comes around. And that's it for today, guys. I also have another video that is going to be coming up this week that I really want you guys to watch, because FabFitFun did a special gift that I don't want to share too much. It blew my mind, so I want to make sure that you guys share on my channel. You share this channel, you help this channel grow, you comment in this channel, and I'm getting noticed by companies and things that I never thought would notice a channel that was only 2 years old or just over 2 years, but we're growing at such a nice pace. It is fantastic, as well as the people that are part of my channel. I'm seeing that you have been with me for almost the duration of my channel. So I want to thank you guys for sticking with me, growing with me, and enjoying with me, because that's what this channel is all about. So take care, everybody. Always important that I want to end off all my videos that everybody during this time, you continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. I do have a giveaway going on right now. Make sure to check that in the description box I'll try to leave the link to that video going on right now. It's a whole box that I ended up getting a duplicate of, including a gorgeous $70 Huda palette. So I want to make sure that you guys, if you missed that video, that you'll be able to sign up for it, because we're going to be pulling the winner at the end of February. And that truly is it for today. All right, take care, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.